Hi, we are Kasey and Michael from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we are the proud new owners of a Castlewood roof contracted by Distinctive Metal Roofing. We discovered Castlewood through Distinctive Metal Roofing, and we knew that that was the right choice for us because of the styles. We really loved the colors and how well they matched our home. We just knew that as soon as we saw Castlewood, that was the right choice for us.
The moment that Bruce showed up, he did his homework. He showed up with an aerial map of our home showing square footage. He knew exactly what he needed to do to get the job done. And it wasn't a sales pitch. This guy cared about the product that he was about to put down on our roof. He took time to answer our questions. He just cared about us, and that meant a lot.
When Bruce came to our house, it was a very low stress, low pressure sales approach that we really appreciated. And knowing that we didn't have to sign something that day, there was no pressure to write a check or to sign or to commit to anything unless we were totally comfortable with it. And that meant a lot to us. It was a very straightforward sales approach. And if somebody could answer every single question that you throw at them and not even blink an eye, it means a lot to us knowing that they know everything there is about this product and they stand behind it.
The experience that we had with Gary, who coordinated a majority of the drop-offs for material, as well as the actual arrival time of the team, was unparalleled. We've never dealt with something like that. Gary's contacted us, we contacted him, he picked up on the first call, answered any questions that we had, and made sure that we were comfortable with every step of the way. It was unlike anything that we've dealt with in the past. The installation team was unreal, high attention to detail. They showed up and they started to work. They didn't stop until the job was done. It's a work ethic that I admire quite a bit.
They also have beautiful craftsmanship as well. Everyone was so respectful and they showed up on time when they said they were going to, and from start to finish, the job couldn't have went better. We would absolutely recommend Distinctive Metal Roofing to our friends and family. We already have. Anytime that somebody asks us about our new roof, we are showing them pictures. We are talking about Gary, Bruce, Will, the entire team at Distinctive Metal Roofing. We cannot say enough good things about them. They have been such a wonderful influence and impact to our house that we owe the beauty of our roof to them. We are so in love with it. There's not a single thing that we would change. You know you're getting old when you brag about your new roof.
Yeah, see our roof?
It's really something special.